Hey everybody, it's Dave Robles with Think Real Estate bringing you episode 4 of the great California Corona Staycation show. Did you know the average human being only has a attention span of 8 seconds? And that's actually down from 12 seconds in 2000? That means I've lost most of you already, by the way. Unfortunately, coronavirus sticks around for a lot longer. In fact, that plastic lying around, 72 hours for plastic, okay? And stainless steel, it stays for 48 hours. All those boxes you're collecting, 24 hours for all those boxes. And copper pennies, everything copper, only sticks around for 4 hours. Not so bad. Now, in the air, it sticks around for 3 hours, guys. Yep, 3 hours. So, what does this all mean? What can you do? Well, clearly, you need to wipe everything down. When you're getting packages in from Amazon, wipe that down. Now, if you don't have 409 and you don't want to shell out $100 to buy it online right now, you can use diluted bleach, according to the CDC. You can use hydrogen peroxide, and you can use the chlorine that you have for your swimming pool. Now, please go to the CDC website and find out the safe way to use those materials if you're going to. And the bottom line, be safe and wipe everything down. We can't be too clean right now, okay? I hope you're well. I hope your loved ones and friends and family are well. And if you need anything from Think Real Estate, we're here. Take care of yourselves. Bye.